Alright, welcome to the channel. Let's work on Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas. We're going to be a stateroom tour of an Ocean View balcony. We're in room 9600, 9th floor, not too far from the elevator. The elevator's right there. So we're on the 9th floor. I'll show you on the map here where we're located. Right here's where the red dot is. Not real bright, but right here on this next to the elevator and staircase right here. You're going to have a stairwell here and a stairwell up here. Alright, as you walk in, you're going to have a light switch here. This could be your master light switch. Turn your lights off and on. Then on the left hand side you're going to have a closet. You're going to have hanging on each side, additional hanging bar here if you need it. Then you have some shelves here down the center, and you have your life vest up here, but you can put them in the floor if you want to utilize the shelf versus having those up there. Also, you're going to have a ladder here. Once I get further in the stateroom, you'll see there's a pull down for a third passenger. Also on the right side here, you're going to have your thermostat. Being older ships, it's got the dial or the knob for the thermostat. You're going to have two hanging hooks here. Right here is going to be your bathroom. You're going to have your switch here for your bathroom. It is nice that it doesn't have the shower curtain, but it does have the sliding doors here, so that's a nice feature. Also, you're going to have your body wash and hair wash on the wall there, spray jet, and a couple shelves in here. You got your toilet here, towel storage is up here, and then here's your vanity with your sink and your mirrors. And nice feature here is only on one side, and the newer ships have on both sides, but you're gonna have shelves here, but these are large. Also here on the right hand side, you're gonna have a full length mirror. And then next to that, you've got a full-size couch. I also did a room tour of an interior room. I'll have that link down below, but I also will show you that in that room, it's just a two-person couch versus a three-person couch in here. Got a little table here. And then you're gonna have a lamp here. Same as over here, you've got two of these, but it's gonna have a switch here on the left. It turns that on, and then you've got a swivel reading light here that you can move around. And that switch is right there. Okay, across from the couch, you've got your desk area. You're gonna have your 3 drawers on each side. And then you're gonna have a center drawer here. And then this does have the pull out here for if you need to put it in here or write it. If you don't have an additional room here, I like to keep my laptop here, but I'm working right here. And then in front of that, you're gonna have your switches. You've got the main light switch here for your side lighting and the mirrors. And then you're gonna have a European plug-in, a standard plug-in, an American plug-in here too. And then also each side, that side also, but it's mirrored over here. Behind there, you're gonna have some 4 shelves to store stuff. All right, next to that, you got your TV, which does pull out and swivel. So you can put it towards the bed, couch, or over here at the desk. And right above that, you're gonna have some additional shelving in your safe. So your safe in here, a couple shelves up there. Over here on this side, we got more shelving right here. So you can some store stuff there. And then the final item here is gonna be a refrigerator, which is down here below. As I mentioned, this does have a third passenger option here with the bed up here. That's for the ladder, so if you need your stateroom attendant to lower that, they can do that each night. It comes down, put the ladder on there, and the third person can sleep in that bunk up there. All right, moving further into the room, we have the beds. You can have them separated or pushed together, like all the other ships. Each side you're gonna have a nightstand. This side's gonna have your phone on it. That one's not gonna have anything, but you got a drawer here, a storage area underneath. Same thing here, you got that light there and the light here. So you got your reading light and your light. Another nice feature is when you go to bed here, you can keep the lights on and you push this button right here, and that's your master switch, which will turn the lights off and on in the room. This is a connecting room here. So if you're traveling with another party that has that room, you can have this door unlocked and then have the rooms connecting. There's also a master switch here. You can turn your lights off and on. Okay, as I mentioned, you're gonna have the same light setup over here. Another nightstand here, mirror behind the bed here. You get your curtains on each side to go out to the balcony. I'll show you a quick view of the balcony. We're in Fort Lauderdale. getting ready to set sail this today. The balcony here, you've got 2 chairs. These are not reclining chairs, they're just standard chairs, and a table. You just shot of the port here. The Celebrity ship over there. We're only 2 ships in town today, or selling out today. Us and the Celebrity, so that made it nice coming into the port. All right, I'll give you one more view of the room from the balcony. All right, welcome to the channel. This week we're on Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas. I'm going to give you a quick room tour of an interior cabin. We're on deck 7. The elevator's right down here. We're in 7579. I'll show you on the map here where the room is and which ship is on the ship. We are going to be right here. It's the very forward part, right below the bridge. That little dot right there, you can barely see it, but right there is where the room is. As you walk in, you're going to have your light switch here on the left-hand side for the master light switch, and then you're going to have a closet here, and then some shelves here. You're going to have 5 shelves here, actually 6 with this one, and then a shelf up here, hanging. Got some additional hanging rods here, some more space for hanging clothes. On the right hand side, you're going to have the thermostat. It is an older ship, so it's just got the dial thermostat. You do have a couple of hanging hooks right here. Next to the bathroom door here, you got your light switch for the bathroom. The nice thing is this does not have the shower curtains. It does have the sliding doors for the shower. And then you're also going to have your hair and body wash inside the shower on the wall there. It does have a spray wand. And then you're going to have your toilet right here. Your towels are up here. And then here's your vanity area. Mirror. There is only one cabinet here on the mirrors behind here. So you got 3 shelves in there. So going further into the stateroom, on the left hand side is going to be your desk area. You're going to have 6 drawers, 3 on each side here. And then you're going to have 1 middle drawer here at the desk. This is where your breakfast menus are. You put it at nighttime, they'll deliver the breakfast the next morning. You're also going to have your mini bar and your room service menus in here. On each side of the mirror here, you're going to have some storage. Same thing here, same thing over here. You have this area right here that will open up for some storage area behind it. And you're going to have 2 American plug-ins, 1 on each side. You're going to have 1 there and 1 there. European, and this is going to be your light switch for each side of the mirror. Then behind the desk area here, you're going to have a 2-person love seat and a little table right here. And then across from that, you have your TV. It does swivel and come out from the wall, so you can turn it towards the bed or over to the left if you're sitting at the desk. And right above that, it's going to be your shelves, 2 shelves, and your safe. And then below the TV, you're going to have your refrigerator right here. Okay, so move further into the stateroom. We've got your bed, we should have separated, or you can have them pushed together like we have them here. And then you're going to have 2 nightstands, 1 on each side. This one's going to have the phone on it. You're going to have a little drawer there, and a little storage area down below here. And then you're also going to have a reading light here that swivels. You turn this switch on the left, it does the light above, and this will be your reading light. Same thing on the other side. You're going to have that over here too. You got the nightstand and the same light setup. You have a nice mirror right here. In addition to the mirror here, the full length mirror over by the bathroom. You've got that one there too. Another feature this room has, it is a connecting room to the interior on the left hand side here. So if you are with another party, you can have this door right here open and have a connecting room. Another feature over here is if you are in bed and you want to turn the lights out in the room, you leave them on because this being an interior room, we're not going to have any light. You push this button and it'll turn off your lights here. So if you have the desk lights off, this light off, you're going to be able to turn those lights off in the room at night. So that's another master button right here. All right. If you like what you saw, do me a favor, hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe. and we will see you on the next one.